A beneficial upgrade to any older PC is a solid state hard drive, and with no moving parts to wear out, they just last longer and require only a little wattage. So for around $30 and a 3-year limited warranty, I chose this teamgroup 120GB solid state drive to run Windows on my aged but still great all-around Dell PC. Since my Dell has a red theme, how am I going to incorporate that ugly gold SSD with a cheesy sticker plastered on it crooked and make it look good from an acrylic side window view? I'm going to mod it, of course, and I'm going to make it modstek cheesy, baby. But before we dive into that, let's cue that intro. My first thought's just paint the case, easy peasy, but then my mind wanders on to, I wonder what it would look like windowed. I realize there's not much to see, but what if there was? And I just voided my warranty, so heck, I'm going for my Dremel after I fix this crooked sticker and trace it. Alright, so the sticker is traced, so all there is to do now is grab the Dremel and grinding wheel and get this baby cut out. It's not going to be perfect, and I know that, but my hopes are it turns out better than, hey, that ugly old gold color. So I windowed it, scuffed it up with 400 grit sandpaper. Then I painted it with a can of spray paint from Walmart's. Now I'm using an old packaging from a mouse that's going to be my transparent window. From there it's up to your imagination what to bling the inside with. My original thought was a chrome skull, but I just couldn't get the case to close, so I tossed part of a flame in there until I could find something else. Who knows, a picture, maybe some RGB, it's all up to you. The cut, the sanding, the painting might not be all that great, but hey, look at the inside of my Dell. Looks good, right? When it comes to SSDs, this teamgroup isn't the greatest. However, it kicks the crap out of the SATA 2 Seagate that used to run this machine, and now is solely the storage drive. So if you want a snappy Windows experience like I do, this $30 teamgroup SSD works great. I left a few comparisons for you to decide.